Today, we're diving into what could be the most exciting moment in the action camera world in years. Yes, we're talking about the GoPro Hero 14 Black. After a string of incremental updates and stiff competition from rivals like DJI and Insta360, GoPro may finally be ready to shake up the game with a genuinely next-generation upgrade. Whether you're an adventure junkie, content creator, or vlogger always on the move, this is news you won't want to miss. For years, GoPro held the crown as the king of rugged, portable, and high-performance action cameras. Their cameras became a staple in the kit of extreme sports athletes, travel vloggers, and YouTubers. But over recent releases, we've seen more of the same. Minor software enhancements, modest hardware bumps, and a noticeable lack of real innovation. That allowed competitors like DJI with the Osmo Action 5 and Insta360 to catch up and, in some ways, surpass GoPro in areas like image quality and immersive shooting. But hold on, it looks like the tides are turning. Enter the GoPro Hero 14 Black, the potential savior of the GoPro legacy. Based on multiple leaks and insider reports, this might just be the bold reinvention GoPro fans have been waiting for. Let's start with what everyone's asking. When is the GoPro Hero 14 Black coming out? Sticking to tradition, GoPro typically launches its flagship models in September. Sources indicate the GoPro Hero 14 Black is expected to be officially announced on September 20th, 2025, just in time for the fall content creating season and right before the holiday shopping rush. That means if you're considering buying a new action camera, you might want to hold off just a little longer. Possibly the most exciting upgrade in the GoPro Hero 14 Black is the rumored inclusion of a 1-inch image sensor. This would be a monumental step forward in GoPro's hardware game. A larger sensor means enhanced image quality, especially in low-light conditions, an area where GoPro has traditionally struggled compared to cameras like the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and Insta360 X3. This larger sensor will allow for greater light capture, improved dynamic range, richer detail, and overall more cinematic footage. It's not just about pixel count. It's about pixel quality, and this change could significantly improve the clarity and depth of GoPro's visuals. Interestingly, sources say we won't see a dramatic bump in video resolution. It'll likely stay at 5.3K, which is already plenty for most use cases. Instead, the focus will be on boosting visual fidelity through superior light processing, better contrast, and more nuanced shadows and highlights. That's a smart move. Chasing resolution for resolution's sake often leads to overheating and battery drain, without major gains in practical quality. Expect smoother 4K slow motion, enhanced stabilization via Hypersmooth 6.0, and possibly even 8-bit, 10-bit color modes to satisfy pro-level creators. Another highly requested upgrade may finally be coming. A larger edge-to-edge rear display. Leaks suggest GoPro is working on a more immersive screen that stretches further across the back, with reinforced protective bumpers to keep things rugged. This makes framing your shot easier and more immersive, especially in tight or fast-moving situations. We might also see redesigned physical controls, with dedicated buttons for recording, mode switching, and more intuitive navigation. For those who vlog on the go or shoot fast-paced sports, this could be a real game-changer. One of the long-standing issues with GoPro cameras has been overheating, especially when shooting in high resolutions for extended periods. According to insiders, GoPro may be introducing a new GP3 processor that not only boosts overall performance, but also improves thermal management. There are whispers of a built-in heatsink, better internal airflow, and improved energy efficiency, all of which could mean longer shoots without thermal shutdowns. This would bring GoPro closer in line with competitors who've already optimized this area. Battery life has always been a bit of a sticking point for GoPro users. Between GPS, high-res video, and live preview, juice drains fast. The GoPro Hero 14 Black might come with an upgraded high-capacity battery, or at least compatibility with extended battery packs to help power longer recording sessions. A more efficient chip could mean we finally get a true all-day action camera, perfect for travel, adventure sports, or vlogging marathons. While GoPro gears up for a strong return, DJI is making bold moves of its own. Leaks have confirmed that DJI is working on a new 360-degree action camera, likely called the Osmo 360 OMX. This puts DJI in direct competition not only with the Insta360 X4, but also with the long-awaited GoPro Max 2, which is still nowhere in sight. Thanks to FCC filings and leaked teardown images, we now know this new DJI camera features dual lens setup for full 360-degree capture, a 45-degree mirror trick to save space and enhance light pathing, 50 mAh battery USB-C 30W. Fast-charging Bluetooth and Wi-Fi full DJI Mimo app support. DJI is betting big on immersive capture and wireless workflow efficiency. That's a smart play, especially as more creators look for seamless mobile to social media sharing capabilities. The DJI Osmo 360 sports a compact portable design, much like the GoPro Max, but with a sleeker body and some unique touches. A front-facing display, tactile button layout, and dual antennas for stable wireless transfer show DJI is all in on building a creator-friendly ecosystem. The only downside? No visible mounting hook in the leaked images, which could limit flexibility unless they integrate a proprietary or third-party compatible mount system. According to insider reports and FCC documentation, the DJI Osmo 360 has already passed initial testing. A release is likely before the 2025 holiday shopping season, potentially giving DJI a stronghold in the 360 action cam niche before GoPro has a chance to respond with the Max 2. This raises the question, can GoPro keep up with DJI's aggressive product development and broader ecosystem strategy? So we now find ourselves at a pivotal moment. On one side, you have GoPro, the seasoned action cam pioneer, potentially returning to form with the Hero 14 Black, boasting a new sensor, better performance, and smarter design choices. On the other, DJI is preparing a dual-pronged assault, not only improving traditional action cams like the Osmo Action 5 Pro, but now entering the 360-degree content creation space with the Osmo 360. Whether you're Team GoPro or Team DJI, 2025 is shaping up to be a golden year for action camera innovation. Both companies seem ready to raise the bar, and that means better tech for us, the users. Final thoughts. Which camera should you wait for? We believe the GoPro Hero 14 Black has serious potential to restore GoPro's reputation as the king of action cams, if they deliver on these rumors. The combination of a larger sensor, improved heat management, smarter controls, and a sleek display could make this the best GoPro yet.